says A. A is for arc. A, avocado. A, ant. A, arrow. Remember the sound A. Letter B. B says B. B is for bee. B, bag. B, bike. B, ball. B. Letter C. C says K. K. K is for candy. K, cake. K, car. K, cat. K. This is letter D. D says D. D is for dentist. D, doll. D, dog. D, dig. Remember the sound D. Letter E. E says E. E is for elf. E, elephant. E, elevator. E, 11. E. Letter F. F says F. F is for fish. F, fan. F, for. F, face. F. Letter G. G says G. G is for gate. G, gold. G, gum. G, gift. G. Letter H. H says H is for hair. H, hen. H, hole. H, heart. Letter I. I says E. E is for igloo. E, insect. E, infant. E, Indian. E. Another sound of letter I is I, long sound I, same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, I, island. I, ice cream. I, ice candy. I, ice pick. I.